How to buy PIDGN token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes on the description. Go and get your price for the referral codes. Use these codes to fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. So to buy this token, as you can see, this token, it's trending number 15 on the screener, and it's under the network of XRPL. So to be able to buy this token, go to the screener and click on trade PIDGN to XRP. Now after that, if you want to expand this pop-up, you can click on here. So as you can see, and they will redirect us to First Ledger website. To be able to buy this token on First Ledger, you need to connect the First Ledger wallet first. And after that, what you need to do, just type here how much of XRP you want to buy in this token, and this is how much you will receive of that token. So if you want to buy 20 XRP, you will be received 29 million of that token. So after that, make sure to read all of that information here, and if you are ready to go, just click on buy PIDGN and you will be able to buy this token on First Ledger. So this is how to buy PIDGN token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.